Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury channel. Today, we're stepping back in time to take a closer look at one of America's most iconic pickups, the 1978 Ford F-150. Rugged, reliable, and built to last, this truck became the blueprint for generations of Ford pickups to come. Exterior. The 1978 Ford F-150 was the second model year of the sixth generation F-Series. Its square, boxy stance gives it that unmistakable late 70s truck presence. Up front, you'll notice the signature two-tone grille, chrome on top, body colored or argent on the bottom, flanked by square headlights, a new update from the previous round ones. The front bumper is full steel, no nonsense, no plastic, and those solid metal side mirrors scream durability. The long, straight body lines and sharp fender creases gave it an aggressive and purposeful look. This model could be had in several configurations: regular cab, super cab, and styleside or flareside beds. Out back, the tailgate wears the Ford name proudly stamped across in bold lettering, a nod to the brand's no-frills, working-class roots. Interior. Step inside, and the F-150 greets you with a cabin that's simple but functional. The dashboard is straightforward: analog gauges, metal toggle switches, and a big steering wheel that's surprisingly satisfying to turn. This particular model has the optional AM radio and basic heater controls. Air conditioning was available but rare. Materials are rugged: vinyl seats, plastic trim, and rubber flooring, all designed to survive hard use. Bench seating fits up to 3 adults, and with no center console, it's roomy enough for the time. Don't expect luxury here, what you get is a durable, honest workspace. Performance. Under the hood, the 1978 F-150 offered a range of engines. The base was a 4.9-liter inline-six, but V8s were the popular choice, like the 351M and the beefier 400 cubic-inch V8, which this truck features. The 400 V8 made around 169 horsepower and 315 pound-feet of torque, modest numbers by today's standards, but plenty capable for hauling, towing, or getting through rough terrain. Power is delivered through either a 4-speed manual or a 3-speed automatic transmission. This F-150 comes with rear-wheel drive, though 4x4 models with manual locking hubs and Dana 44 front axles were available, making it a true off-road companion. Fuel economy. Well, expect around 10 to 12 miles per gallon. But you didn't buy a truck like this for efficiency. The 1978 Ford F-150 isn't just a pickup, it's a piece of American history. Its bold styling, bulletproof engineering, and utilitarian interior made it a favorite among ranchers, workers, and weekend warriors alike. Even today, it holds its own as a collectible, a farm truck, or a weekend cruiser. If you're looking for a truck with character, grit, and a whole lot of steel, the 78 F-150 is as authentic as it gets. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment if you've ever owned or driven a 1978 Ford F-150, and don't forget to subscribe for more classic vehicle spotlights.